take you on a little tour of Constant, a 63-foot 1974 Doggersbank expedition yacht that was designed, engineered, and built in Holland. She's steel, she's a go-anywhere vessel, and as you will see when we take you through the interior, she is gorgeous. All right, let's check out the interior of Constant. Oh yeah. 1974, but so elegant, so traditional. Look at these stained glass type sconces with LED lighting behind them.
The best of
both worlds, yes. This is just gorgeous.
Darren, I love this boat.
Diamond Tuck.
Yeah.
Classic. Let's go check out the pilot house first. Oh, great view. Autopilot. Control there. Steering here. Little settee for folks to keep the captain company while underway. And you've got port starboard access to the side decks, which I'm always
for throwing the captain overboard quickly.
And then down below decks. Oh my gosh. It feels like another time.
Feels like an old Victorian home. Very nice old Victorian home.
Look at these gimbal oil lamps. Lovely dining area right across from the galley. And then forward we have guest cabins mirrored port and starboard. We have to port the guest head, and to starboard is the shower.
Look at that tiling work too.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Nice galley with plenty of counter space for prepping. And then aft, we have this really cool office. I mean, it literally says office on the door. Look at this. More Diamond Tuck leather. Desk. I'd like to be editing the Boat Geeks episodes right here. That would be pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
And then here is the master stateroom with en-suite head, including a tub and shower. Fully tiled. Gotta check that out. That's cool. So cool. 1974. I love it. And then we'll take you down into the engine room. And the engine room access is off the aft deck and right down here.